This is what it looks like 2 days before you have to move. Ooh. Good though. Yeah, we're hoarders. We're really not though.
It's just everything's pulled out.
Yeah.
Not like we've been living like this.
Oh my gosh. Today is Friday and we are leaving Monday. So we have the rest of today and 2 more days after that. Get our shit together. Alright, so gutting out the carpet at this van today. So first step in our van build is definitely going to be the floor. See what you're working with. We pulled out the bench seat that was back there. We're probably going to keep it, it's pretty light honestly, and we're probably just going to utilize it as part of our bed, just add to it because it's small. And then this is what we got so far. I'm about ready to pull out these seat belts here. I don't think we're going to need the seat belts unless, you know, maybe we need some seat belts when we're sleeping. Who knows? I'm going to pull out some of the sidewall where the cigarette ashtrays are. I mean, we don't really need the cigarette, but maybe we can utilize it. We'll see. This carpet has got to go. It's gross. It's 1989 old. That's how old this carpet is in here. And then maybe even with this interior too. I mean, for a 1989, the interior is kind of nice. I mean, it's hard to get rid of it. I like the wood. I like the wood rods. Curtains, we're gonna redo the curtains. And like I said, I mean, the ceiling is nice. I mean, considering it's 1989, I mean, I love the wood stuff. I don't know if maybe we can save some of this wood. Lights are probably gonna go. This is kind of a weird little contraption thing right here. I mean, like this ginormous, whatever this is, controls the lights. This is the only light that works that we know of it. And man, we just keep hitting our heads on that thing. So I don't know maybe I can make it to a storage space, pull that out and see if we can just store it. But I mean, I really like to just get rid of the thing because we keep hitting our heads on the thing. Yeah, the carpet is not good in here. As you can see, this is what other swivel seats used to be. Yeah, so the fun part begins. We just unloaded all our art booth out of here. Totally filled our apartment up. Looks crazy, and that looks like hoarder heaven in that thing. But better in there than in the van. Well, let's get back to work.
Big ass carpet.
You want your face in it?
I don't care. It's fine. Okay, so day 1, fan build. So we've pulled the carpet out, exposed the wood floor. Yeah, it's like, it really sucks to pull this carpet out because this glue, and over time it's just kind of really adhered itself to this padding that they put into the carpet to the wood. So the wood isn't in great condition, but we're going to put the laminate right over that. But as you can see, we pulled it all out, and there's these middle where the chairs used to be. And
they're like, I think they're they got bolts on the underside of the carriage, so they're like, they can't just take them off, so you have to crawl in there to get them off. I might just angle grind them if I can.
So day 1 for us is pretty much complete. We're gonna go and vacuum out some of this debris that probably will fly around anytime we have to drive it between now and then. And tomorrow we're gonna go and get our floors and put our floors in.
This is the #1 carpet tool that you need. Crowbar.
It's required a crowbar.
trying to put this trim in, separate the carpet and the floor. It's like a ginormous construction zone back here. So they got going right now. Putting that trim there, and then the one down here. The bottom part right there. This one right there. I didn't get long enough screws for that one, so I'm gonna go back to the Home Depot. Get that one. And I'm gonna probably
So we're kind of like racing the clock at this point because we have only a couple of weeks left here before our lease is up. And so we're trying to get as much done to the van as possible. And so we're probably going to cut just a couple of little corners just to make the process move along more rapidly. And I think we were discussing possibly, I think you're supposed to wait 24 hours in order to let the first coat dry before you put on the second coat, but we live in a dry environment, so it may actually not take as long. So we'll probably do the second coat, you know, in less than 24 hours, in less than the recommended amount of time. We're getting the first coat on there. Cliff's doing the main portion of the roof, and then I'm just going to do the detailing around the edges here.
Alright, so starting to do the van build again. Put the attic up there. Aha. We have an attic now. Not bad, huh? Pretty cool. Got the ladder racks in yesterday, put that in there. I did finish painting the top of the roof too as well. It's all dirty because I've been up there, but it was pretty white not too long ago. That should reduce some of the heat. What else I did? I just ripped the ceiling out. It's nasty, huh? It's got that nasty old 1980s batting in there. So there was like this foam that was on the other underside of the upholstery. And you know, probably at one point it was yellow. And as soon as I pulled that off, like it like shattered into like dust. It was orange. See that thing? There's a whole layer of that. It was everywhere. It's everywhere in here. It's so gross. Should have probably wore a dust mask because that stuff is nasty to breathe. But I'm on the process now of putting a max air fan in here. And so I'm just trying to find a spot, a good spot for it, and I'm gonna put a hole in this thing. Alright, we'll see, check back with you. That so wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. But just like that, there's a hole. Whew. Scary, kind of, you know, nerves are rattling, cutting holes and shit. It's loud. Whew. Scary. And just like that, I have a sunroof, limo style. All right, van is in there. Let me just say something. That was not easy. That was quite difficult. Probably because I got some generic tools, you know. I mean, with the right tools, it would probably be a lot easier. But I'm budgeting tools. I mean, it costs a lot of money. You can check out the solar panel I'm about to put in there. It's an enormous solar panel. But yeah, it's in there. I know the roof don't look pretty. I'm probably gonna pull that pink crap out of there because that shit is nasty.
Hi everyone. We made our roof. We put vinyl over 1/2-inch insulation foam board. And so we just kind of stretched it over it, and we used Gorilla Tape for the seams. Because it was like kind of like these seams in the paneling that was sort of an opening. Yeah. And we got the vinyl material because it won't hold like pet hair or smells very much. It'll be easy to wipe clean. So I think it looks pretty nice. It probably needs to be pulled again and then retucked, but it's good right now. And also, I made curtains. So I made these privacy curtains out of material from a shop in Tucson. Yellow and black. I'm not great at sewing, but here's one layer of them. And I got these little cool little beads with skulls on them. Here's the other side. And then there's like a smaller version over there. It's a mess in the van right now. But here's the other one. First it was too big, so I had to cut it. But now it's just right. And it does keep some of the sun out, but mostly it creates privacy in this area down here so that we have like a little separate section for privacy. The curtains go across this way. See, there's another little skull bead. It's a little bigger than the other one. Go. Yeah, so there's my curtains.
All right, so let's talk about this solar panel. It is huge. Look at all the real estate this solar panel takes up on our van. It is a sun power. It's dirty, it's dusty. You know, we're in the desert, it's dusty. It's 327 watts. It's a beast. Look at that thing. It barely fits too with that rocket box right there. That's where I penetrated the van. Seal that off. And it was hard to actually put it in here because we only had a couple of days to get here, so I used this stainless steel zip ties to bolt it down. Like, one of these zip ties is rated for 100 pounds, so it does do the trick. It hasn't moved, barely moves. Sucker's on there. Pulling it right now. It's not moving, but it's just a little makeshift temporary fix. Only because I had a couple days and I just had so much other stuff to do on the van. If you go around, I gotta clean up some stuff. I bought some of these, I don't know what they're called. I think they're aluminum. It looks like something that goes over a 2x4 size. They were $6 at Home Depot, so they were fairly cheap, and it did the job because otherwise, my goal, the idea was to put the solar panel on top of the luggage rack. But the luggage rack fits right inside the solar panel. So it totally didn't work. So it's like I could have measured it. The freaking thing is like huge. So I had like, the only way to measure it was to fit the thing up there to see if it actually, I mean, I could have measured it, but to find out how it would actually fit on there, I had to throw the thing up there to see, and it was just way too big and didn't work. So I purchased these, and even these are still kind of too small. So I'm gonna have to figure out something else. And I kind of have an idea, some of those angle bars that they have. I just don't have I got rid of the angle grinder because I didn't think I was gonna need it. Stupid me, because I'm probably gonna need the damn thing again. So that's the solar panel. It's on there, but I'm gonna find a better way to put it on there. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned and we'll give you the van tour. Like, subscribe, you know, follow us on our journey, because we're definitely getting into it right now. Any last words?
No. See you guys soon.
All right, peace out.